Okay, everybody, so what I'm going to do for this last section of the course is I'm going to do kind of a slideshow of skulls I have carved and stained and give just a short kind of rundown of exactly the stains that I used and the process at which I stained those skulls. That way you can really take all the information that you've learned in this course and kind of see some visual examples of these different techniques and tricks that I've used in my own skull carving. Thank you for taking this course. I really hope the information is beneficial to you and that you learned a lot. And like I said, I am really excited to see how you take this information and apply it to your own skull art and skull carving. Do feel free to send me a message again if you have any questions whatsoever, or just to show me what you're working on. I really do appreciate that. And don't forget to follow me on YouTube, where I upload videos regularly on skull carving and skull art and all different things on mounting and displaying skulls.